Welcome to the GH Crypto Guy channel on YouTube. In this video, we are going to be unboxing a device called the KriptoLink C1. So this device actually is the first device we are ever unboxing on this channel. For those of you who own businesses or stores or shops that want to accept cryptocurrency, a device like this is something that would come in handy, and in this video we are going to unbox this particular device. So basically, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency have become extremely popular, and a lot of people use them as a way or a means of payment. And with a device like the KriptoLink C1, you can accept your Bitcoin, sell it for fiat, and transfer it to your bank account. And it also has an ATM function which allows you to sell and buy cryptocurrencies on the go. So in this video, we are going to unbox this particular device. Let's get right into the video. So let's get into the unboxing. I've been trying to figure out how to open this. I think I'm supposed to open it from here. So let's see. Yep. Okay, by KriptoLink. This is the KriptoLink C1. As you can see, a mock-up of the device. Another mock-up of the device. Yep. So I'm going to put this away. We are going to get into the box properly. We're about to unbox it for the first time. And this, from what I've seen on YouTube, will be the first unboxing video of this device. So let's get into the box. Okay, so there we go. When you pick it up, the first thing you find is a KriptoLink sticker. I'm going to put it somewhere very soon. It has the Bitcoin logo on it. You won't be able to see it because of how it's covered, but yeah, it's a sticker. I'm going to take this off, a cushion to prevent the device from breaking. So right on top of it is the device. Okay, yeah, careful. Okay, so I'm going to put the device down. We're going to come back to the device in a few minutes. We also have the power plug that allows you to power the device. And we also have this stand. Okay, this stand allows you to use it when you are using it as a shop or a store. So I'm going to put the box away and we're going to focus on the device. So yeah, give me a second. Okay, so we're going to take the device out of the wrapper. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, the orange and black finish looks fantastic. It looks awesome. The device looks very great. It comes with two screens, one at the back and one at the front. It also comes with a handle for you to hold the device, which is really great because looking at how the device is, it's going to be very difficult to hold it. Okay, so the device just came on. We're going to plug it in and do a review in our upcoming videos very soon. For you to be able to get that video, please press the subscribe button, like this video in order to have access to that video. So yep, this is the KriptoLink C1 in its glory unboxed. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.